Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hey kids, welcome back to Jingle Kids India for a fun-filled alphabet adventure. This is episode 2 of Letter B. Last time we learned B is for ball, B is for bounce, B is for bus, B is for baby, and B is for butterfly. Now let's begin our letter B adventure. Let's start by learning few more B words. Book. We read stories in a book. We all love reading storybooks, right? The word book starts with B. Can you say book with me? B for book. B for book. Easy, right? Growl, growl. Look at that big fluffy animal. That's called a bear. Bear starts with the letter B. The word big also starts with B. Can you say B for bear with me? B for bear. B for bear. Now let's say B for big together. B for big. B for big. Buzz, buzz. What's that little creature buzzing around? Ah, that's a bee. B starts with the letter B. Can you say B for bee? B for bee. A bee makes a buzzing sound. Can you say B for buzz with me? B for buzz. B for buzz. What's that sound? That's the bell of a bicycle. Bell starts with the letter B. Can you say B for bell with me? B for bell. B for bell. You know what? Bicycle also starts with the letter B. Can you say B for bicycle with me? B for bicycle. B for bicycle. B is also for boy. Let's say it together. B for boy. B for boy. Let's play a scavenger hunt now. Can you find something in your house that starts with the letter B? I'll give you a hint. Look for a bottle in the kitchen, a bowl in the kitchen sink, or maybe a box in your room. Pause the video and go find one item starting with the letter B. Did you find something? Great! You are brilliant! Ah, the word brilliant! Yes, it also starts with B. Awesome! Great job, kids. See you next time for more alphabet fun. Till then, bye-bye.